Did you know that After Effects already has over 100 text animation presets built into it? But to be honest, if you look at these, most of them look really stupid, like a 5-year-old make them for PowerPoint presentations. But there are also a few rare ones that look really good, really clean, and really can be applied into your projects. So in this video, let's take a look at the 10 best pre-built After Effects text animation presets. And I'd say let's just jump right into it. So just if you want to look this up, you can just tap in or look in the Effects and Presets tab and search the effect. And I named all the compositions in here for the effect. So you can just type this into here, into the Effects and Presets tab, and you will find these. So let's start with the first one. We have the blur and fade in animation, and if we play this, we can see this one looks super clean, super futuristic, and yeah, also it would be difficult to replicate this without much knowledge. So this one is amazing. Just search for it in the bar and you can apply it to your text layer right away, and you will get this super clean fade in animation. The next one is also blur animation, the blur glitch one, and yeah, this one is basically just a forever ongoing blur glitch animation, and I think by default this may be a bit too strong, so you could play with the parameters like turning down the amplitude or the frequency, and yeah, you can just basically look for the adjustments within opening up the text layer and then the animation or animator presets. But yeah, this one looks super clean as well, a lot of use cases. Let's go to the next one, which is the bullet train effect. And this is also a fade in animation, and I think this just looks super clean for any cinematic table animations. So yeah, I think by default this already looks good, no much to do here. Then the next one is a bit boring, but also I think quite useful, and it's the chill hue shift animation. And of course you could put another color in there, but I think the default blue one already looks kind of cool. And this basically just makes the text a bit more interesting and not just a static color. And going to the next one, we have the flicker exposure effect, and as you can see, this basically just gives us some letter flickering, and I think this is amazing for any like glitchy animations or neon sign animations where you have some kind of natural glitches that look like the electricity is bad or so. So also a lot of use cases in here. Then let's move to the next one, which is the foggy in animation, and I think this is a bit similar to the first one, but also special in their own way. So as you can see, this is a bit slower, but also looks super cinematic, super clean, and I also see a lot of use cases in here. And moving to the next one, which is a bit crazy, and it's called the pulse orange animation. And if we play this, we can see that the pulse is animated, sometimes less, sometimes more, but I think this one should need a bit of tweaking. So maybe you could basically turn down the amplitude or the thickness of the stroke, but I think this also, especially if it's like really light, as you could see in that frequency here, I think this looks super clean. And yeah, you should just turn down the big one basically. So just to show you could just open up the text, go to the animator, and basically turn on the stroke brightness. And yeah, okay, moving to the next one, we have the sliding color flicker, and here we can see the color just goes from one side to the other side. And I think this is a bit special, but also I could see using this to make just the composition a bit more interesting. Maybe if it's just a side text or something not that important, but yeah, I can also imagine using that. Moving to the almost last one, which is this scale in from point animation, which I think is also a super clean text fade in animation. And I think we don't need any words here. This one is clean by default and already looks kind of cool. And yeah, to finalize this, let's look at the zoom away animation. So here we can basically see just letters fading away, zooming away, and I also think this combined with fade in animation just looks amazing and super clean. I think this is one of the best fade away animations that I found that is pre-built in After Effects. So yeah, definitely I can see some use cases in here. And yeah, if you enjoyed this one, see you next time. I will be covering more text animations soon.